Okay, so guys, I figured out where I messed up. We actually don't need this edge right here. We select these edges on the top. And also, of course, on the bottom. Like this. And then Control E, bridge out balloons. And you can see it's right here, everything is on. So move this a bit down, not the y-axis, and adjust this if you want to. And then let's apply the mirror filter. Also, we need subdivisions. Where's the lightness? Let me see. Actually, just scale it down on the axis. Actually, kind of have enough geometry already, so maybe we don't need the subsurf. Rotate it on the x-axis by 90 degrees, and we can put it on. So we rename this the button. This is the branch. What's this? Carrot. I'll move this button. X is 0. So we can move this on the y-axis like this. Like this. It's perfect. Also, I think I'll move it a bit up here. So, like this. The buttons are done. Now, last but not least, oh wait, not last. We'll do the scarf first, I think. Let's do the scarf. So, wait, button is in the snowman. We need to move it a bit out. Yeah, like this. So, hide the head so we can move the cursor to the middle. Now unhide the head by Alt H. Hiding was H, if you guys didn't know. Move it more center. And hide. So mesh, we want a torus. We rarely use this, but yeah, I think these things are okay. Make it a bit more fat, fatter. Scale it down, and then S, and then Shift C to lock on the Z-axis, so it doesn't scale on the Z-axis. Shade smooth. Then we can select these two. Turn it off graphic. No, wait. Do we need off graphic? I'll only do this one, and then we off graphic. Scale it in a bit to make it more realistic. And then we can move some bits up and down to make it a bit more realistic, like a real scarf, because it won't be exactly flat. Like this. Here's a bit up. And then we want to make a bit where it goes down like this. So go into edit mode. Let me see. Actually, how do we want to do this? select here, and make a cylinder. Shift A, rotate it. Like this. Shape smooth. We want to do it like this. Now, let's not do it like this. So, delete about 4. Delete faces. Then we want to go to isolation mode. Select this edge loop, press face. And then we're going to rotate this face. Turn off graphic. Turn off orthographic. Down. And then we're going to pull it down here. I know this looks a bit weird, but I'll do it like this. Because we won't be able to see this. Well, we won't be able to see this part. Now we select this edge loop face. Move it to the side. Also, we can add loop cut. Add some loop cuts right here because we will be doing some colors. Now we will be putting these, select these two, select this one last. Alt M, merge at last. So we will be merging these into scarf. I know we won't be able to see this, but just in case, wait. I'll move the whole thing. Move the whole thing further, just for us to see the edge loop. Merge at last. Merge at last. Merge at last. Merge at last. I know this place looks bad, but we won't be able to see it. We'll be only seeing the side. So, merge at last. Merge at last. Merge at last. And then this place. We select this edge loop and move it back. This edge loop, move it back. No, merge it last. Let's hide this edge loop. Merge it last. Last, merge it last. Unhide. Like this. Wait. You move this back out a bit. Oh, how do we do this? Create another edge loop here. Do it at the very end. Move it in. Go back out of isolation mode. Move this to right here. Rotate it. And then you want to adjust this to make it look like that it's coming out from here. Let's delete. Let's delete these vertices first. second. I'm gonna delete these.